Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Peach Light, and today in this tutorial I want to show you how you can Windows 10 activate. Basically, as you can see, there is a watermark of Windows activation and cautions, and we also if we are going to the settings, and there is C activation. So as you can see, this is on the second line. The activation is Windows is not activated. So just follow me step by step for activation of Windows 10. So just follow me step by step for activation the Windows. So just open the your web browser and type Windows activator txt. Alright, just type Windows activator txt and enter. And as you can see, just open the first line. So as you can see, the Windows is not about 10, it's about 7, 8, 8.1, 10, and 10 latest version. So select all of the text here and copy. And the second thing is, and minimize that, and the second thing is turn off your antivirus. So I'm going to turn off my antivirus. So settings, and Windows security settings, and here we go. Windows security, virus and threat protections, and here you can see the menu setting, and I just turn off the real time for just a few minutes, turn off the cloud, turn off the automatic. So basically, yes, the antivirus is off now, so it's not harm to your computer. Just follow this step by step. So just open the notepad, notepad, and the text your copy, just paste here with the control V. And the thing is that when you paste all of the text, just go to the file and save as, uh, remove all the text, and just type acti activate.bat. Alright, just activate.bat file and paste to the desktop. Just activate.bat, making the file and save. So as you can see, the activate file are making here. So I just open the activate, and activating your Windows is loading. As you can see, the all of the version are here, Windows 8 to 10. So the connection of the server, please try to connect one another. It's please wait, it's okay, it's fine. So sorry, your version is not support. Okay, so when you restart the Windows, so your Windows is activate. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching.